In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow readers to add a star rating in WiX. Adding star ratings to your blog post is a great way to collect quick feedback from your readers and see which content really resonates. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in your WiX dashboard and what to turn on so that star ratings appear alongside your blog comments. First, sign into your WiX account and open the site where your blog lives. Once you're on the main dashboard for that site, look for the section related to your blog. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with different options like Analytics, Marketing, and so on. Go ahead and click on Blog. This will take you into the blog management area where you can see your posts and all the tools for managing them. From here, we want to get into the part of the blog that controls interactions from your readers. At the top or along the side, depending on your current view, you'll see several tabs such as Posts, Categories, and Comments. Click on Comments. This opens the comments management page, where you can review, filter, and moderate what people are saying on your blog. On the comments page, look for a button or icon labeled More Actions. This is usually toward the top right area of the screen. Click on More Actions to reveal an additional drop-down menu with extra options for how your comments work. In that drop-down, select Comment Settings. This is where you can control what your visitors are able to do when they interact with your posts, such as whether comments are allowed, how they are displayed, and importantly for this video, whether ratings are available. Once the comment settings page opens, take a moment to look through the options so you know what's there. Now, find the setting labeled Ratings. You'll see a toggle next to it. To allow your readers to add a star rating, simply toggle Ratings on. When it's enabled, WiX will automatically add the star rating feature to your blog comments, so visitors can quickly rate your posts while or after leaving a comment. After turning this on, make sure to save or apply your changes if there's a button for that. Then, visit one of your published blog posts on the live site and scroll down to the comments section. You should now see the star rating option available for your readers. That's all you need to do to let visitors add star ratings to your WiX blog.